Do you feel constantly bloated, low on energy, or mentally drained no matter what you try? Or maybe you've noticed your skin breaking out, or you've been getting sick more often? What if I told you that all these issues might be connected to one thing, your gut health? It's true. Your gut is responsible for much more than just digestion. In fact, your gut health affects everything from your immune system to your mood and even how much energy you have throughout the day. When your gut is out of balance, it can lead to chronic fatigue, digestive discomfort like bloating or constipation, brain fog and difficulty concentrating, frequent illness, skin problems like acne or eczema. So, if you're feeling constantly exhausted, uncomfortable, or like your body just isn't working as it should, your gut might be the missing link. But don't worry, because the good news is, you can fix it. That's where your Super Gut Feeling Restored comes in. A comprehensive, step-by-step guide to restoring balance in your gut, improving your digestion, and transforming your overall health. Inside your Super Gut Feeling Restored, you'll discover how to fix the root cause of gut issues, not just mask the symptoms. The exact foods you need to eat and avoid to heal your gut naturally. Why fiber and fermented foods are the secret to gut health and how to easily incorporate them into your diet. The surprising connection between gut health and skin problems. How gut health can dramatically improve your energy, mood, and even mental clarity. Imagine waking up every day feeling refreshed, with more energy, better digestion, clearer skin, and a stronger immune system. Your Super Gut Feeling Restored will help you get there with easy-to-follow strategies that fit into your daily life. And when you order today, you'll also get 2 incredible bonuses to make your gut health journey even easier. First, you'll get the Your Super Gut Feeling Restored workbook packed with practical exercises and action steps to help you implement everything you learn. This workbook will keep you on track and guide you step by step to gut health success. Next, you'll receive the Your Super Gut Feeling Restored cheat sheet. Your quick reference guide to all the key strategies from the program, so you can easily review and apply the most important tips anytime. So, if you're ready to finally feel better, boost your energy, and reclaim your gut health, your Super Gut Feeling Restored is the solution you've been waiting for. Don't wait any longer to take control of your health. Transform your gut, transform your life. It all starts here with your Super Gut Feeling Restored.